Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with these three guys right over here. I got three peñas with me and I'm gonna check them out real quick. What do I have here is, micro Apache right over there. You get Apache kickstop and you get the Lenny's clip in the mix. So let's just do a quick unboxing for these guys. They have the same packaging, like an outer cover for the box, and you get the foamy insert, and you get, of course, the knife, and that is just one, and you get the same unboxing experience for the second one without tearing down everything. Fab, right? Just relax. I know you're excited, but look at this. You find the second one right over here, and boom, you get the third one right over there with the same box, and you get, by the way, a huge microfiber cloth, Pena X Series branded, which is nice to have, and you get the little guy right over there in the mix. So here we are checking out these three fellas. They are very different. There's three different sizes and three different everything, because they are different but very similar. So these are Pena X Series, so it means they are made in China by Riyadh. That is the Lannis clip, and this is the Apache with Surprise, and this is, of course, the micro Apache right over there. So look at this nice family shot. You get two front flipper and one kickstop flipper right there. Lannis clip, you get some brown micarta going on, M390, and a snappy. I would prefer like just a thumb deployment and like a Bowie hollow grind style. Right over here you see instead marble carbon fiber, blasted titanium, and you see a kickstop flipper with a flat grind on an M390 steel as well. Right over here you still have a front flipper like that, which is super snappy, M390, and pretty much same configuration as the regular Apache, but no kickstop flipper thing going on. So very interesting lineup right over here. You get to see some nice finishes touch in these knives. This one is my favorite actually, because the hollow grind and the bigger handle, very well contoured knife. I'm not like a fan of the blade shape, but I have to admit that is pretty well. Look at this. Look at this wedge, the hollow grind. It's just good, yeah, very cool. So there's they share like this little surface area to disengage the locks, but I mean it's doable, right? But it's just not that much, right? So you can still disengage, but you have to angle the thumb a little bit, especially in this case, it's a little bit shorter. So just to go right there, disengage, and do that. So just a little bit more attention, but still you can do it. Another difference you can see is the lack of stainless steel lock face insert on the kickstop version, which is present in the micro and in the Lannis clip. So I'm not sure why, because it looks like there must be some space, or I don't know. What do you guys think? Why there's no lock face insert? That's interesting. So none of these have internal skeletonizations in the handle. And if you want to know the weight, for sure, I can check it out. And let's see. The heaviest probably is going to be this fella, weighing in at 3 and 27 ounces. And then we get 2 and 47 for the Apache regular, and the micro is at 1 and 91. So it's something like you just toss wherever, and it's just very classy, high-end box shredder, right? This is just like a pretty cool one. So yeah, here guys, you get some front flipping action in a small and in a big package, and you get some kickstop action going on in a medium size package. I mean, guys, this is the kickstop flipper, by the way, flipper tab. So it just, right, disappears. So how does it do this trick? So you have it like just, whoops, coming out right there. So you see, it's just hinged separately and also becomes like a nicely part in conjunction with the other jimping, just an extended jimping right over there. So that is the secret behind the disappearance of the flipper tab, Lee Williams design. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.